Hey there, Kevin Miney with the Hormone Team at eXp. Just want to touch base with you guys, do a little bit of an update. So we've got folks that are in the mortgage business, financial world that have guys that read the tea leaves. And so wanted to give you an update on kind of what we see coming this year in terms of the market, the economy, that kind of thing in the housing industry. So had a rough year this last year in 2022. Rates went up, inflation was not good, employment wasn't great. We've seen all those things start to mitigate. So rates have at least normalized, stopped going up and kind of leveled off, dropped a little bit. Inflation has started to get a little bit under control where it's kind of starting to drop a little bit. Unemployment is going down. So it looks like hopefully we're kind of at the tail end of some of the bad economic stuff. What we think is going to happen in the coming year, the last 6 times there's been a situation in the US where we've had, a recession. After that recession, rates have come down, interest rates have come down. So what we're hoping for is as this recession hopefully ends, rates will come down. We see, at least here in Montgomery County and Harris County where we are, we still have a bit of an inventory problem, still have more buyers out there than homes for them to buy. So what that means is it's still a good times in terms of pricing. There's not as many buyers out there at the moment today as of the middle of January or early January. But there's a lot of pent-up demand, we think. A lot of folks tried to buy a house last year, didn't want to get multiple offer situations, or there were 20 other people making offers on the house, and so they didn't get it. We think a lot of those folks are still around, and they didn't get a house. So as rates kind of normalize and level off and maybe start to drop, we think those folks are going to get back in the game. And we think they'll be able to do it at a rate that's agreeable to them. So we think it's still a pretty good time to buy and sell. In terms of buying, the benefit is that you don't have 20 offers now on properties. We're seeing properties where you see 1 or 2 offers, which is normal, which allows the buyer to, negotiate some things into the transaction, get some closing cost help. If there's something found on the inspection, they're able to get some inspection stuff done or concessions done for buyers. And so for a while, for the last couple of years, that did not exist. Well, those are back in the game. From a seller's perspective, we're still seeing a situation where we still have a bit of inventory problems. So prices have at least leveled off. They're not going up, but they really haven't started to fall much. That inventory problem is going to keep prices propped up for a while longer, we think. So still a pretty good time to do real estate. Again, as rates come down, we think that pent-up demand is going to re-enter the market. If you are one of those people, or you have any questions about real estate or thinking about buying and jumping back in, we'd love to talk to you guys anytime. Reach out to us. Hope this has been helpful to you. Look forward to helping you guys and talking to you soon. Take care.